your life when you want to introduce your partner to your parents.
No! God, please, no!
Everybody goes through this. Whether you're Palangi and it's 17 or 18 or 16 or possibly 11, or whether you're Islander and it's 54.
Bruh.
But if your parents are anything like my dad, I promise you're gonna want to do this correct.
Exactly.
Unless you want to end up in a body bag.
So, here are our tips and tricks on how to introduce your partner to your strict island parents.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Tip number 1, soften your parents up.
You want to get your parents as familiar and close and warm to the idea of you having a boyfriend or girlfriend, if you swing that way, as possible.
Even if it means you have to refer to them as a friend.
A friend with a job and a full driver's license and possibly a degree.
And a clean criminal record.
A clean criminal record, okay?
Mom, I almost starting.
I'm going to hang out with my friend.
Hey, what friend?
My friend, just my friend, David.
David,
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Destiny. Whose jacket is that?
Oh,
I gotta check it.
it's my friend's. It was raining, so he just...
Oh, my gay friend.
David.
Makalive.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Who dropped you off?
My friend David, remember?
Oh.
It's nice.
David. Well, Fiona dropping my David.
Actually, he has a motorbike now.
I wonder if he can pick me up when he wins.
Maybe he can get you on Tuesday out.
Oh, it's so darling.
Tip number 2, give your parents notice. Don't just turn up with some man that you just grew out of nowhere and bring him to your parents. We all know you've been trying to hit on this man for a year at least.
Leave me alone! Why are you so loud? Do not bring your partner on your unsuspecting parents.
Let your parents know at least a month in advance. Do you understand what I'm saying? A month.
At least.
And lastly, but definitely not leastly, brief your partner on all the do's and don'ts on meeting your parents.
Yes, especially if your partner is not Islander, there's a few things they should know.
Let me just.
No lines in the eyebrow. Yes. No crop top. No midriff showing.
No short skirts. Wear puletasi.
And definitely not any PDA, okay? Don't be doing none of that in front of Mum and Dad.
This is what
Social
you do.
distancing.
Okay, 2 meters.
That's us for this week. Catch us next week for some more Brown Girl tips.